ಇವತ್ತು ಸೋಲೋ ರೈಡ್ ಟು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಖತ್ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ರೈಡ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಹೇಮಂತ್. ಹಿ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದ ರೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಖತ್ ರೈಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಮೈಟ್ have a nice time doing that. So I'm walking through this path with complete greenery around me, and I'll post some more things about this. So yeah, keep watching. So basically this is a spiritual place. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬುದ್ಧ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. So the main highlight of this place is called the Big Pyramid, and of course this Buddha statue that we are approaching. Sorry, I'm walking, so the video is a little shaky. So this is the huge Buddha statue. Very very beautiful and serene one. With ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ it has become more like a tourist place. So this is the Buddha statue. It's a beautiful Buddha statue, and I like it so far, but to be honest, I was expecting a little more silence, but yeah, let's see what is there in the pyramid. Wow, look at that pyramid. This is that amazing big pyramid structures. Apparently pyramids, by the virtue of their shape, are the biggest energy givers, and that's why they have designed this center in the shape of a pyramid. It's a meditation center basically. I am not sure if we are allowed to picture inside, but I would do that if it's possible. But it already looks amazing, so I'll go check out inside and hope to get some positive energy. So pyramid ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಂದಿರ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ. It was really a totally different experience. I could hear silence. There were people around, but fan illa, AC illa, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. But that place was so cold and so silent. You could just hear the silence. The only sound I could hear was of this crickets. ಜೀರುಂಡೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ, I mean, I cannot describe the experience. You have to be there to experience that. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಸೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ 1/3 height of the pyramid. Pyramid's energy concentration is in the center always, and the maximum accumulation of the cosmic energy happens at the 1/3 height of the pyramid ante from the base. That's why they have built something called a king's chamber there, and they say that the meditation will be more profound when it's performed in the King's Chamber. However, it's not allowed for the visitors. It is only for the Guruji of this place. But Sutta Nodi, it is, I mean, that is the Buddha we saw. It is a really nice place. I am just sitting here, and it is an ashram where meditation classes, dhyana madak barte irovrige, they are offering guidance there. You could sit there, learn how to do the meditation and then go. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀ ಅನ್ನದಾನ ಚೀಟಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಔಟ್. ಐ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆಫರ್ ಸಮ್ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್ ಫುಡ್. I would like to check that out, but I mean, so far I feel really great about the place.